Paul W. Klipsch, genius, madman, and maverick, changed the world of audio forever when he designed, engineered, and hand-built the legendary Klipsch horn loudspeaker in a tin shed in Hope, Arkansas. He nailed it, and the world stopped and listened. And Klipsch has been making premium quality loudspeakers ever since. The key is highly efficient horn-loaded drivers. They are immensely impactful with super low distortion and deliver an amazing soundstage with incredible dynamic range. That revolutionary Klipsch sound lives on today in every product we make. Soaring, detailed highs, deep, smooth bass, and all the action in between. World-class Klipsch speakers allow people to connect like no other brand. Just ask the legions of passionate longtime fans who swear by their Klipsch loudspeakers and trust us to faithfully reproduce the soundtracks of their lives. Klipsch loudspeakers have been delivering the ultimate audio experience for the better part of a century, and we take your enjoyment very seriously. Our advanced acoustic research continues at our state-of-the-art Technology and Design Center in Indianapolis, honoring the principles and ideals of PWK, always reaching further towards that perfect sound. Klipsch Premium Loudspeakers. It sounds so much better. We'll show you how.